Okay, we just got done watching Murder Mystery 2 on Netflix. It's a 2023 film. It was 1 hour and 30 minutes long. It has Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston, and they are a crime-solving couple, and it's a sequel to a popular previous movie. I enjoyed it. What did you think of it, Lisa?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I thought it was very similar to the first one as far as the comedy style, and this tempo and speed of the movie I thought was very similar to the first one. I would say that really even, teenagers and kids could probably watch this without any problems.
Yeah, there wasn't anything too crazy.
Nah, so what was the rating again?
Looks like
PG-13. Okay, that would explain it. Yeah, because there really
the first
wasn't
one's probably
anything.
that too.
Yeah, it wasn't anything. It's under the action, adventure, mysteries genre. But yeah, so I would say it's worth seeing at least once. Probably not. Wouldn't be one I'd probably watch a second time, but definitely
just
worth.
like the first one, we didn't rewatch the first one to watch this one.
Yeah, definitely worth seeing at least one time.
Yeah.
But if you have seen a Murder Mystery, either 1 or 2, let me know down below. And yeah, I'd say add it to your Netflix list if you have Netflix. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.